Hi guys, so today I will be talking about the Equate regular strength stomach relief. This is, like I said, the regular strength one. It just says Bismuth Okay guys, I am not even going to try to butcher that word, but you guys can see it. It just says 525 mg, anti-diarrheal, upset stomach reliever, 5 symptoms relief, nausea, heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach, and then diarrhea. And I just want to show you guys what the bottle looks like. So these are like the different warnings. Do not use if, ask a doctor before if you have, ask a doctor or pharmacist before use if you are taking any drugs for, and then it just lists the things. And then it just says stop use and ask a doctor if pregnant or breastfeeding, ask a health professional before use, keep out of reach of children. And yeah, just the drug facts and like the directions, other information, inactive ingredients, questions or comments. It just gives a number to call. But getting started on this, so I just want to give a quick little story, and it's kind of funny. So when it comes to like a lot of the stomach problems that I've had or currently have, it's kind of embarrassing for me to talk about. I don't know why I find it like so personally embarrassing, but it is like personally embarrassing for me to like usually talk about the stuff that like the things that concern my health in general, but just like when it comes to stomach problems. And so like growing up, I usually like did not have a problem with any of these, but I'm just like gonna go out there and say it. Like I have a really bad problem with like nausea and heartburn, and so those have been things that I have been, as of like in the past couple of years, I've been like suffering with. And so I started off like, it wasn't the Equate brand, but it was like a similar, it was like, it looks just like this, but it was like a different brand. But I don't want to say that brand because I'm not going to have anything nice to say about it. And I don't want to like down anybody, but I started off taking that one and it just was not working for me. And everybody was like, that's the best one. Like, I don't understand why it's not working. So then I ended up going back to the doctor, and then the doctor was like, maybe you should try the tablet forms. I took the tablet forms. It was not working. And so then for a while, I think I was just like doing home remedies, like trying to look up different things online that I can do. And then I went into the store and I saw the Equate version. So anybody who knows Equate, Equate is very famous for making like duplicates of a certain brand and like making it at a cheaper price. So like, for example, my face moisturizer, at first I started off using Pond's, and then Equate had made a similar version that looks just like the actual bottle, but it just says Equate on it, and it works. Honestly, I like the Equate version better than my Pond's version of the moisturizer that I had. And so it's the same with this. I love this Equate version of the stomach relief better than I liked the actual brand. So I was in the store and I saw this and I was like, okay, like it's Equate, maybe it might work. I'm always willing to give Equate a try because Equate has like literally never done me wrong, and I can stick by this. This is actually a brand new bottle. This is my second time getting this one. So I finished the whole one up that I had before this. And so this is my second time getting this one. The one thing that I can say, guys, and that you should be very careful about is like overusing it. So like it does have this cup in it. And so usually when bottles like this have cups like this, I try to like measure it by this amount. Before, I was literally just drinking this stuff out of the bottle, but please guys, don't do that. I had really bad reactions to that, and so I just want to put this out there too. I had a really bad, not even just like reactions within my body, but I broke out in hives because I drank too much of this, and I ended up having to go to the doctor. So just be very careful. And this is with any medicine in general. You never want to be taking over the amount that you're supposed to, because you will have a negative reaction to it. And the one thing that I can say about this product is that it lasts for a really long time. And although you may not think that the amount that you take is doing a lot, it honestly does do a lot. So just be very, very careful with the intake of this product. And then also be very careful with also like the amount. Like I said before, a little bit of this product does go a long way, and although you may not be seeing immediate results, they will come. You just have to give it time to go through your system and go through your body, and it eventually comes. And like it says the 5 symptoms relief of nausea, heartburn, indigestion, upset stomach, and diarrhea. I have taken this because I've had like upset stomachs before, and like even everything on this list, and I can be a testament to say that this product honestly does do everything that it says it does. And they do how it says right here. It says regular strength. The one that I had before this was a higher strength one. So if you guys have never taken this product before, I suggest getting the regular strength. The higher strength, really, it's overpowering, and especially because I was taking more than I was supposed to, so maybe that was the reason. But this does its job just fine in its regular strength. But like I said before, guys, I'm a big fan of Equate. This is one of my favorite products by them just because of everything it helps me with. But this is just like I said before, the Equate regular strength stomach relief, the Bismuth, I'm not going to say that word like I said before, but yeah, anti-diarrheal upset stomach reliever.